Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. Alright guys, so how are you doing and how is your day, guys? So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy using banana and turmeric. Now, do you know how helpful this is on the skin? Now, banana is a great moisturizing agent while turmeric does a whole lot of whooping stuff on the skin. Yeah, so let me take you right into this video, yeah, so you could see all of the amazing, beautiful thing that it does on my face, literally, because I'm gonna be applying it on my face so you could see. Okay, all right guys, so do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on that post notification, and let's go. Okay guys, to change that skin and have, like, if you're 50, you're literally gonna be looking 18 with this particular ingredient that I'm gonna be introducing to you. This ingredient is powerful. This ingredient is amazing. This ingredient is everything, guys. Okay, so this is turmeric. Now, turmeric is an ancient spice that is used for cooking. It's basically ideal for the skin because it helps to lighten up the skin, remove age spots. It also helps to remove wrinkles, therefore making you look super duper young. So you're going to be taking 1 full spoon of turmeric powder. Okay, now if you don't have the powder, you can equally use the turmeric itself. Well, it's okay, because but the thing is that turmeric actually stains, so that's why I kind of prefer to use the powder. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of some banana. Now, bananas are healthy. It's a great moisturizing agent for the skin, and it helps the skin to glow really well. So banana helps to renew the skin and give you that babyish, you know, look. Okay, so I'm going to be blending my banana. I'm not going to be putting in water to blend the banana. Okay guys, so after blending this, so we're going to be mixing it up with the turmeric powder, and then we would have to stir and let it mix very well. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of avocado. Alright, so avocado is a great ingredient that helps to remove aging, it removes wrinkles, and it helps to even out your skin and make your skin glow really well. So since I have half cut of my avocado, I don't like to waste, so I'm basically going to be using just a little cut of this. Okay, and then I'm going to be turning it in there, and then I'll have to mash it. For this particular one, not just, might not just have to blend it, but just smash it up, yeah, just like this. All right. So after matching this, then we'll have to turn that into a bowl. And then we'll mix it up. Okay guys, so we're going to be needing some lactic acid because we want to remove some aging, some fine lines, and some pigments and age spots. And this is milk, okay, because milk contains a whole lot of lactic acid that helps the skin glow. So I'm actually basically going to be pouring it in. Yeah, I think I poured almost 2 tablespoons of the milk, so because I need the ingredients to get a particular consistency, so I'm actually going to be pouring it in and stirring it. Okay guys, so the last ingredient is cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy that helps to rejuvenate and make your skin glow, and it also helps to make your skin look younger and beautiful. So I'm going to be putting just a little bit of cucumber in this. So I'm going to be cutting this. Alright, so for this I'm not going to be putting in water because I need the cucumber water to, do the job, yeah. Okay guys, so after blending it, we're going to be sieving just a little bit of the juice out. So this is the cucumber juice. I actually didn't add any water to this. Okay, so after that is done, then I'll have to be turning in my cucumber juice into my treatment and then mix it up really well. Now the consistency is going to be very friendly and friendly enough. Okay, so this is it, and you can actually apply this onto your face and onto your body, guys. Okay, so for this particular one I'm going to be showing you applying it onto my face so you could see how it is. Okay guys, so this is my amazing treatment, banana and turmeric mixed with other ingredients. Okay, so you're gonna be using a brush and you're going to, pack those goodness onto your skin just like this. Okay guys, so you might likely have to wet your face, before you apply this. Actually didn't wet my face, but before you apply this, it's ideal you wet your face. Okay, that's when you know that it's going to work really well, and it's going to be really, really good. Okay, so you can also refrigerate this treatment for a maximum result. Look at mine, I refrigerated it. That's why you see the upside getting dark, because I kept it for like 30 minutes. I was resting. Okay, so after applying this generously onto your face, then you can either use a brush or you use your hand. But for me right now, because of the turmeric in this treatment, I'll be using my hand. I'm not going to be using my brush, because when I use my brush, it's going to stain. So I'm going to use my hand to massage it. I have to massage it very well in a circular motion, just like this. Okay. Okay, so when massaging, concentrate on those affected areas, like those areas that you develop oil the more. Okay, so that it's going to help you to tighten them up and reduce the amount of pores that you have around there, basically. Okay, so after you've generously massage this very well, then you can actually wash it off with lukewarm water or normal water. So I'm gonna go wash mine off. The thing is that I will have to wash it off and then use my toilet soap and then bathe, literally. So I'll be back when I'm done doing all of that. So you see how that is? I love the feeling. Like, I actually love to use my hands when it comes to turmeric, because it will stain my brush if I use a brush to brush it off. Okay, so that's it. Go use this, try this, and I'm sure it's gonna be super duper amazing on your skin, and it is so wonderful, guys. So that's it, guys. I am gonna be seeing you in another video, and do not forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe and turn on that post notification. Post notification is here, and I'll see you again. Bye, guys.